Thank you, Dr. Takana. The resident representative, Japan International Cooperation Agency, Mr. Hiroyuki Sawada, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, a very good afternoon to you all. Pula. And it is with great honor and pleasure for me as an Assistant Minister for Health and Medical Services to be here this afternoon to receive, on behalf of the Government of Fiji, your generous gift, a project vehicle donated by your government to the Japan International Cooperation Agency, more famously known as JICA. This gesture of goodwill could not have come at a better time, as we all know that our beloved country has just gone through one of the most trying and difficult times as we face the aftermath of tropical cyclone Winston. And this generous gift, whilst it is meant to be a project vehicle, it will assist us in having better accessibility to our communities. And for this, the Ministry of Health and Medical Services would sincerely like to register its gratitude and appreciation to JICA and the people of Japan for such an invaluable donation. At present, the Ministry is inundated with the need to ensure better communication and contact with our people on the ground and those serving in cyclone-affected areas. Hence, this donation will surely add to our strategies in meeting such inevitable needs. On the other hand, considering the core purpose of your kind donation, and that is to support the Ministry of Health and Medical Services vision of a healthy population, I am confident that this will improve our delivery of our wellness services, which basically considers the prevention and control of NCDs as top priority. The more we as health professionals are in constant contact with our people in this initiative, we are gradually going to achieve our vision in empowering our people to take ownership of their health and to also assist them to achieve their full health potential by providing them with quality, preventative, curative, and rehabilitative services. And this gift will be very instrumental in achieving this goal. My ministry and JICA has been working together for years, and we have seen tremendous outcomes through our past projects, such as JPIPS for strengthening of immunization programs in the Pacific, and NBISD for strengthening of need-based in-service training for community health nurses. And also PAC Health, our ongoing project for elimination of lymphatic filariasis in collaboration with WHO, is known as one of our successful projects. In the grassroots level, JICA has been dispatching many volunteers such as nutritionists, dietitians, medical equipment maintenance, and physiotherapists to the health sector in Fiji, and they work together with the locals. We are also mindful with great appreciation JICA's assistance, such as trainings and grant aids, such as Fiji Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Services Center built in 2004. And taking this opportunity, I would like to express my sincere appreciation towards all JICA's assistance and hope this good relationship between my ministry and JICA will continue. In May last year, that another new project in collaboration with my ministry and JICA had been launched, which was Project for Prevention and Control of Non-Communicable Diseases. I am grateful to work with JICA to tackle NCDs because NCDs are currently a very serious disaster in Fiji. We call it a tsunami. And of course, I know that the new project started in the right time, in the right place to deal with this so-called tsunami. Therefore, this vehicle will be used for the work of the NCD project in collaboration with the Ministry of Health and Medical Services and JICA to carry out its project outline. Again, on behalf of my government and of course my ministry, I take this opportunity to extend our most sincere appreciation and gratitude to the Government of Japan through JICA in the procurement of this new project vehicle for the Central Division. Furthermore, I also would like to thank the NCD project coordinator, Mr. Shinya Matsurasa, and your hard-working team for facilitating this process in making this dream come true, or turning this dream into a reality, I should say. And of course, in addition to all the other activities under JICA that have already been implemented throughout the nation. So once again, a big Vinakavakalevu, thank you, and I wish you all a very blessed afternoon. May God bless you all. Thank you.